In this segment, I'll be discussing about the chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. In this, I'll be discussing about the reactions involving the cleavage of OH bond. First one is acidity, that is the acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids, like alcohols, they evolve hydrogen with electropositive metals and form salts with alkalis similar to phenols Unlike phenols, they react with weaker bases such as carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to evolve carbon dioxide. This reaction is used to detect they are used to detect the presence of carboxylic group in an organic compound. This reaction, carboxylic acid plus NaHCO3 gives sodium salt of carboxylic acid plus water plus carbon dioxide. This reaction is used as a distinguishing test to distinguish between carboxylic acid and phenol and other compounds we can say. Carboxylic acids, they dissociate in water to give resonance stabilized carboxylate anions and hydronium ion to give carboxylate anion and hydronium ion. This is the resonance stabilized carboxylate ion and hydronium ion. For this reaction, we can write the equilibrium of the reaction, equilibrium equation of this reaction, that is K equilibrium is equal to concentration of products by reactants. Here the concentration is found to be H3O plus and then RCOO minus, and then by, this is the numerator and the denominator is found to be the reactant side, RCOOH into H2O. RCOOH into H2O. We can further write this as Ka is equal to K equilibrium into concentration of water. We can bring this water which is equal to 1, that is equal to concentration of H3O plus into RCOO minus by RCOOH. Here K equilibrium is the equilibrium constant and Ka is the dissociation constant. For convenience, the strength of an acid is generally indicated by its pKa value rather than its Ka value. pKa is equal to what? Minus log Ka. The pKa of hydrochloric acid is found to be minus 7.0, whereas pKa of trifluoroacetic acid, it is the strongest carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid and acetic acid are found to be 0.23, 0.419, 4.19 and 4.76. Smaller the pKa value, stronger will be the acid. The better it is a proton donor. Stronger acids have pKa values less than 1. If the pKa value is less than 1 means stronger will be the acid. The acids with pKa values between 1 and 5, they are considered to be moderately strong acids. Weak acids have pKa values between 5 and 15, and extremely weak acids, they have pKa values greater than 15. Carboxylic acids, they are weaker than mineral acids, but they are stronger acids than alcohols and many simple phenols. pKa is approximately 16 for ethanol and 10 for phenol. Carboxylic acid are amongst the most acidic organic compounds, and we know phenols are more acidic than alcohols. The higher acidity of carboxylic acid as compared to phenols, it can be understood easily. The conjugate base of carboxylic acid, which is nothing but a carboxylate anion, it is stabilized by two equivalent resonance structures. These are the two equivalent resonance structures. This is stabilized by two equivalent resonance structures. Here, if you see the resonance structure, that is, if you see the two resonance structures, the negative charge is found to be more in the electronegative oxygen atom. The conjugate base of phenol, a phenoxide ion, C6H5O minus, it has non-equivalent resonance structure in which the negative charge is at the less negative carbon atom. Resonance in phenoxide ion is not as important as it is in carboxylate ion, and moreover the negative charge is delocalized over, it is delocalized over two electronegative oxygen atoms in carboxylate ion, whereas it is less effectively delocalized over one oxygen atom and less electronegative carbon atom in phenoxide ion. Therefore, the carboxylate ion is more stabilized than phenoxide ion. So, carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. Now you know the reason why carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. The reason is the negative charge is localized between two electronegative oxygen atoms. It is in between. The negative charge is in between two highly electronegative oxygen atoms. Next one is the effect of substituents on the acidity of carboxylic acids. Substituents, it may affect the stability. Substituents, they may affect the stability of the conjugate base, and then they also affect the acidity of carboxylic acid. Electron withdrawing groups, they increase the acidity of carboxylic acids by stabilizing the conjugate base through delocalization of negative charge by inductive or resonance effects. And then conversely, electron donating groups, they decrease the acidity by destabilizing the conjugate base. Direct attachment of the groups such as phenyl or vinyl to the carboxylic acid, it increases the acidity of corresponding carboxylic acid, contrary to the decrease expected to the resonance effect which is shown here. This is because of the greater electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon to which the carboxyl carbon is attached. The presence of electron withdrawing group on the phenyl of aromatic carboxylic acid. Here, aromatic carboxylic acid, we can give the example of benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH. C6H5COOH. This is because the presence of electron withdrawing group on the phenyl of aromatic carboxylic acid, it increases their acidity, while electron donating groups decreases their acidity. If we are having, for example, that is electron donating groups and electron withdrawing groups, what will happen? That is, the presence of electron withdrawing group on the phenyl of aromatic carboxylic acid, it increases their acidity. NO2 is an example of electron withdrawing group, and electron donating group example we can give in the aromatic carboxylic acid, that is COOH OCH3. This is an electron donating group which decrease their acidity. This is for methoxybenzoic acid and this is for nitroxybenzoic acid. Here the pKa value is found to be 3.41, whereas here if you see the pKa value of 4-methoxybenzoic acid, it is found to be 4.46.